Namaskar, greetings from Sealmatic India Limited. We have recently received an urgent call from one of the largest supercritical thermal power station regarding the sudden seal failure of boiler feed water pump. Our highly experienced rescue team rushed immediately to the site despite the logistic challenges. After a thorough inspection, we installed our next gen BFP seal, Sealmatic type SBP 2 on the MDG 405 pump, replacing the competitor's seal. We are pleased to share that the pump is now operating satisfactorily at full load, running at 6000 RPM and the temperature of 215 degrees centigrade. We sincerely thank the power plant team and our dedicated service and engineering teams whose commitment, expertise and determination made this happen. We are delighted that our efforts have helped a stable power supply to the region during this scorching summer season. Thank you.
At Sealmatic, we make it happen.